Guys, we are at Wat Umong temple, just outside of the old city, guys. Hello. You got the elephant pants on, huh? Look, we both do. Mixing and matching. See? Where are you looking?
It's two.
Taking my phone?
Two down.
Look at all the trees over here, guys. It's beautiful. Looking like a tourist today.
I am the thief.
You're the thief. You steal my wallet. Why?
Because I know
It's okay.
the money inside here.
It's okay. I'm not rich. Beautiful. Look at that, wow. That's really cool. How old do you think this building, this temple is? Like hundreds of years?
Too old.
Yeah.
So I will check on the Google.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no signal.
No signal in the cave. What is here? There used to be like a statue in here?
Yeah, there used to be before the...
Nothing inside though. Yeah. Interesting.
No.
Very interesting. What's down here? We go down the step here. My god, guys, these elephant pants are really loose. They're comfortable, don't get me wrong, but... Jeez. What's over here? Huh? Another Buddha? Okay. Alright, we're going out now. Wat Umong. This is the name, guys. Wat Umong. Worth a visit. I know you guys are cringing right now, but my girlfriend's wearing them, so I got one too. We gotta look like tourists in Chiang Mai, guys. We are the tourists. We're going? Okay. So this is the tourists in Chiang Mai. Where are we? Would I be classified as a half Thai tourist now? Who knows? I'm speaking a little bit of the language, but I really like the green around here, the plants and everything. It really provides a nice shade over here, which is really good. I really like the shade. It doesn't make it too hot, even at 10 o'clock in the morning. What is that?
2490.
What does that mean?
This one building at 2490. Yeah. How about the Chris?
The what?
2490.
She's working something out, guys. I don't know. She's working something out. She looks amazing today, guys. Doesn't she look amazing? Look at her. Wow. Looks really good. I love the hair like this. Looks so good. Oh wait, I can't touch your hair.
It's building at 1947.
Oh, this one in 1947?
Yeah, this one.
Wow, that's pretty damn good.
In 1947.
Yeah, this temple.
Now it's 2022.
Yeah, 2022. How many years is that? Can you do math?
No, I'm not. Alright,
I'll try. It's
1960,
75 years, I believe, this year.
Oh yeah, that's why this up.
Oh, is that why? Okay. 75 years, guys, this temple. Oh, look at that. Wow. Beautiful. 75 years.
But this one not 75, up there.
Oh, okay. The one we were in already was 75 years. Okay. The one that looked like a cave. Oh, money tree. Okay. Not too many tourists here, which is good. More or less Thai people at this particular temple, whereas Dosatep was mostly foreigners, guys. But yeah, this is quite a laid-back temple. I really enjoyed this one. This was actually my girlfriend's idea. What was that?
Waterfall.
Oh, waterfall. Oh, wow. When you think they couldn't have any more, it happens to be a waterfall here, guys. Wow. Oh yeah, you can hear it. temple, isn't it? What are you, British now? I know you want to be a tourist. You want to be a British tourist.
We'll go to feed the bird.
Nam tok. Oh, feed the bird. How much? Nobody here.
Can I have 20 baht? เอากระวางเงินไว้
Nobody here
ก็
to
วางเงินไว้
serve us.
เดี๋ยวนี้เชียว
Where's Ganesha? Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah, there is Ganesha, guys. Oh wow. Ganesha is everywhere here in Chiang Mai. This is why I love Chiang Mai, guys. I think I was talking to my girlfriend about this. The energy that you feel over here in Chiang Mai. I don't know. I don't get that energy in other places in Thailand. Like this city hits different, guys. It really does. Like I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it really hits different. I really enjoy this city, guys. What's that?
The rice is not look like Isan rice. This one is a fat rice.
Fat rice.
Yeah. It's a fat one. In Isan
Thick
they
rice?
don't have.
Smell like thick rice or what?
Huh?
Brown rice.
No, it's a rice, but over here we didn't peel that yet.
Oh, okay.
You need to do it in the machine, and
Okay.
it's gonna be white.
All right. Well, we're leaving the money here. Okay. Yeah, because there's nobody here. So all right. Yeah. All right. Come. So if anybody from here is watching that, we left the money. Okay. We left the tip, the fee for the food. Okay. Okay. So we're waiting around here, right? Wow, beautiful. Lots of nice. We've got a little waterfall there. Nice little features, guys. Nice little features. I want to go see this Ganesha. Baby, I'm going to see the Ganesha. You want to come?
Yep.
Let's go see Ganesha. You got to see Ganesha, guys. Come on. Oh, what's over here? Very nice.
Why the man have the red lip?
Yeah, that's true. I got the red lip. There's another one. Oh, wow. Beautiful. It's shining under the sun. Yeah, big tree. Spirit tree, yeah. Yeah, this beautiful one. Nice and big. Wow. There he is, Ganesha. Wow. Got 3 of them. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I like the gold one a lot. This one looks like the one in Chachan-sao. I made the video on that. If you guys haven't seen that. And they've got a nice little river over there. How beautiful is that? Wow. Wow. They're feeding the birds over there. And feed the fish and the birds over here, guys. Beautiful area. Wow. This is beautiful. How cool is this? This is my first time here. I've never been to this temple. Massive fish down there, guys. Massive. Is that a table in the lake? There's a table right in the middle. right there. No. Table with, huh?
It's a solar cell.
Oh, oops. Okay, I guess I need my eyes checked. It looks like a table with chairs. Okay, that's my bad. It looked like a table with chairs. Doesn't that look like a table with chairs from a distance? Oh, a bird's coming. I swear I thought it was a table with chairs, guys. I don't know. Okay, my bad. My bad. Alright, look at this. Wow, the birds are already coming. Alright, the birds are ready. Ready for a feed. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow. Hello, buddy. You want some food? You want some food? Whoa. I guess they're very used to the people. What are you doing? Oh, you want the photo? Whoa, my gosh. Wow.
Hi, man.
Look how many birds, guys. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, don't do that. I'm gonna fly on my face. No. I have this sort of fear with the birds flying like right near my head. I don't know. Oh, they get very close there. Hello, maybe. Wow. Hello, buddy. Well, on that side too. She's trying to get a photo with the birds flying, aren't you? She's trying to be the perfect photographer. And I'm scared of the birds. I think one went on her shoulder. This reminds me a bit of Nong Pajak Lake in Udon, guys, when you can feed the birds over there and they all come to you, very close to you. But not in this really narrow sort of bridge that we're on. But yeah, it's very similar. Oh my god. Jesus. Guys, they go right on her arm. Oh, there you go. Wow. You can feed her off your hand. Wow, how many is that? 4, 5?
Yay!
They're all coming.
Hey.
They're not scared. You can walk and they're still on you.
Yay!
Wow.
Yay!
I think that's your thumbnail today, guys. That's the thumbnail. How many? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at them now. Listen to them. Wow, look how close they are. They just like to... Whoa! You just kicked him off.
Ah!
What?
Ah!
Oi.
They fight.
They're fighting. Oi!
Ay! Yay!
Whoa! Oi. He's on my head.
Yay!
He's on my hat, guys. He obviously loves my hat. Look at this. I don't even have food. That feels so weird. Oi. The birds are hanging by the bread, but the bread's for the fish, guys. There's got a turtle and fish. Look at that turtle, guys. I don't know if you can see that on camera, on the GoPro. Turtle. Turtle. See, the birds still want to come. But we gave you enough food, guys. We gave you enough. You can't be greedy now. You can't be greedy. Alright, let's throw some in. Wow. These are big ones. They're big ones. Big boys. Whoa. Alright guys, I'm gonna try. We've got blue Hawaii frappe. Yeah, you can give them the money. Seb. Aloy. Aloy Mark. I said it's on way.
So
yeah, I just let off an Isan word, guys. I've been living in Isan too long. I'm starting to say Isan words instead of Thai words. This is great. Blue Hawaii frappe. Oh, this is so good. This is the perfect thing to have in this hot weather, guys. Because but it's great with the shade, guys. But I highly recommend a visit to this temple, guys. If you're into coming to a temple like this, it's quite beautiful. It's a little bit, I'd say about 15 minutes. From 10 to 15 minutes drive from Niman area. This is what we camped for, and you got this little coffee shop here, guys, where you got like lots of frappe and stuff like that. So, what's that?
her brain is hurt.
Ah, she drank it too quickly. Yeah, Anna's mum drank the strawberry. Was it strawberry? Strawberry frappe too quickly, and yeah, brain freeze. That's what happens. Here's what happens, guys. When it's so hot, you want to drink it really quickly, but you got to pace yourself. But guys, otherwise, this is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little temple video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos in the future. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of any upcoming videos as well. And be sure to click the thumbs up button on this video. It really helps out the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very, very grateful for your time. God is good. Let the journey continue, guys.